Hello, class, and welcome back once again to our online learning platforms. Today, we want to talk about continuous tenses. I repeat, today, we want to talk about continuous tenses. Continuous tenses have two parts. We have the present continuous tense and we have the past continuous tense. Now, understanding continuous tenses, you have to keep some words in mind like we are, she is, they are, you are, it is. Try and keep those words in mind first before we continue. Now, understanding continuous tenses today. Now, let's talk about what present continuous tenses means. Present continuous tenses just shows ongoing actions that are happening now, as in actions that are happening currently and presently. Forms of present continuous, they make use of the word am, is, or are verbs. Now let's give examples of present continuous tenses for better understanding. For example, number one, she is sleeping. Number two, I am jumping. Number three, they are coming. Number four, he is writing. Number five, they are eating. Now, there's something you need to keep in mind when it comes to continuous tenses. Your verbs will always end with an ing. As you can see, your sleep ends with ing. Your jump ends with ing. Your come ends with ing. Your write comes with ing, and your eat also comes with ing. That's the first thing you need to keep in mind when it comes to continuous tenses. It will always end with your verb will always end with an ing. Try and keep that in mind for better identification of your continuous tenses. So all these actions, you can see they are happening in the present. That is why we call them present continuous tense. From present continuous, let's move over to understanding past continuous tense. Now, what is past continuous tense? Past continuous tense can be formed with was or were verbs. And when we say past continuous, they just describes actions that are ongoing in the past. Actions that are ongoing in the past. An example of past continuous tense. For instance, I was running yesterday. You can see yesterday means that the action already took place yesterday, not today. That means it's in the past already. And when you observe your verb, the run ends with ing. That shows it's a continuous tense. So I was running yesterday is a past continuous tense. Try and practice more past continuous tense, engage in different fun exercises. You can even write sentences on present and past continuous tenses for you to learn more. Understanding continuous tenses, we have actions that happen in the moment, which are present continuous tense. For example, they are doing their homework right now. For the fact that they are doing this right now, that makes it the present continuous tense. Completed actions that have happened yesterday, for example, they were playing soccer all afternoon. For the fact that they were playing, not they are playing, that means it happened in the past. So that is a completed action from yesterday. So that means that's the past continuous tense. Thank you for participating once again in today's class. I believe it was fun and engaging, and I believe you've learned something also from today's class. Keep learning, keep exploring, don't ever stop learning. Thank you, class.